Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing 5 legal maxims. Legal maxims are short, memorable phrases that convey a legal principle or rule. They are derived from long-established legal precedents and are used in various legal systems around the world. Here are 5 examples. No. 1. Dura lex lex. This is a Latin maxim that translates to the law is harsh, but it is the law. It means that although a particular law or rule may be unfair or inconvenient, it is still binding and must be obeyed. For example, a law that imposes a harsh penalty for a crime, even if it seems excessive, must be followed. This maxim highlights the supremacy of law over individual desires or perceptions of fairness. Note 2. Salus populi estate suprema lex. This Latin maxim translates to the welfare of the people is the supreme law. This principle places the well-being of the community as the ultimate concern. In all legal matters, when making decisions, judges and lawmakers must prioritize the safety, health, and overall welfare of the population. For example, a law that protects the environment is valid even if it imposes restrictions on certain activities, because the long-term health of the community is at stake. No. 3. Expressio unius estate exclusio alterius. This Latin maxim translates to the express mention of one thing implies the exclusion of another. In legal contracts or statutes, when a specific term or condition is mentioned, it can be inferred that the parties intended to exclude or limit the application of that term to the specific thing mentioned. For example, a will that leaves a person's estate to their spouse and children, but nothing to other relatives, might be interpreted to mean that the testator wanted to disinherit them. Number 4. Res ipsa loquitur. This Latin maxim translates to the thing speaks for itself. This legal doctrine applies when the circumstances surrounding an accident or injury are so clear that negligence can be inferred without the need for expert testimony or specific evidence of fault. For example, if a person is found injured at the bottom of a construction site with no explanation, it can be inferred that their fall was caused by the construction site owner's negligence. Note 5. Nemo dat quod non habet. This is a Latin maxim that translates to no one gives what they do not have. This principle is used in contract law to determine whether a party has the capacity to enter into a contract. If a person does not have the legal capacity to transfer a particular asset or right, any attempt to do so is invalid. For example, if someone tries to sell a car that they do not own, the contract of sale is void. So there you have it, 5 legal maxims. These maxims are just a small sample of the many that have been developed over the centuries to help guide legal decision-making. By understanding these legal maxims, we can better navigate the complexities of the law and appreciate the rich history and tradition of the legal system. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thank you for watching.